This small bird is the hooded grebe. It speeds across the water thing the moment it touches the surface, and its special low bed toes let it move easily both on and underwater. During mating season, males perform an amazing water courtship dance. Females first test males by having them copied every move perfectly. One wrong step, and they rejected. The real challenge is asynchronized, a bright sprint across the water. If their rhythm is off, he fails. This dance shows trust and connection. If he pauses, they exchange plants or twigs as water, a promise to build a nest together. Though they raise skilled water acrobats, hooded grebes are clumsy on land. They rarely go ashore and build floating nests, living almost entirely on water.